check to see whether PHP is enabled on your Mac. So first, go to Finder, and you're going to go to Library, Web Server, Documents, and this is actually the root for your localhost. So any files you put on here, this is what will be displayed when you type localhost into the web browser. So I already have a file here called index.php, so I'm going to go ahead and edit it with Text Wrangler and show you what's inside. We got PHP info. That's a little PHP function that will display all the PHP information about your server. If PHP is enabled, this will work. If PHP is not enabled, you'll see nothing when you go to this website. So go ahead and save that as index.php. And you're going to open up a new tab in your browser. Go to HTTP localhost. If you see the PHP information, then PHP is working on your machine. If not, there are a couple things you can do. Go ahead and open terminal and cd to etc apache 2. And you can open httpd.conf in any text editor, but I'm going to use VI. You're going to search for the line that says PHP. Load module PHP 5, load module. Make sure that is not commented out. Comments are designated by hashes. So if it had a hash before it, then it would be commented out. So if it's got a hash, remove the hash. And quit. If you had to remove the hash, you'll want to save and quit. Make sure you save it. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to System Preferences and Sharing. So under Apple, click on System Preferences, and Sharing looks like this. You're going to want to make sure web sharing is turned on. Now, you just turn it on by clicking it. If web sharing is turned on, that line is not commented out. You should be able to go back to your root folder, which is in Library, Web Sharing, Documents, and put in that little line of code, and then go to localhost on your machine, on your browser, and it should work.